it's the Fabulous 95, and I put the McQueen over there if anybody's wondering. And I'm coming back with another Cars diecast review of Mr. Mario Andretti, who is based off of a real race car driver in the movie Cars. There was a good few cars that were actually based off of real people. In Cars 1, there was Mario Andretti, there was the King, there was Dale Earnhardt Jr. who was in it, and I think that was it. I thought there was more. Well, there was more in Cars 2. You had Jeff Gordon, you had Lewis Hamilton, and that's also it. And there's more in Cars 3, but I'm not getting into that. So, and also I'm just going to say before I get this video started that I have got a chance to be in one of 360 Beyblade videos, and I kind of showed up late, like I always do. So please go over there, give that thing some love, give that video some love. I would like to see a good 5 likes on this video and 360 Beyblade's new video. So please, and also can we make my Rusty Rear Springs Team Lightning McQueen the most viewed video on my channel? That would be great. So let's get right into the unboxing of Mario Andretti after we go over the packaging. So you see Mario with a desert background. Of course, I was an idiot when I was younger and didn't buy the original Mario. You see Dinoco 400 on the side, McQueen back there. You see Mario. He looks happy. There's a little like lip in the packaging, like where you can kind of see it. You got the back. After the Dinoco 400 tiebreaker race is needed to determine the winner of the Piston Cup. Now, I'm going to read this in Spanish, because I take Spanish, for the people who speak Spanish and don't understand much English. Okay. Después de la carrera Dinoco 400, una carrera extra es necesaria para determinar el vencedor de la Copa Piston. I'm sorry if I said that so wrong. I'm not doing well. I am really good in Spanish, but I just can't today. And those are the other cars. I have 2 of the 4 cars. So, and the McQueen doesn't have Rusty's on a spoiler, so what the heck, Mattel? So let's get right into the unboxing. So, they believe this is the... I'm going to look and see what variant of Mario Andretti this is. So, there's Mr. Andretti himself, and this is the Thailand version. So, that's cool. And now, we will get right into the unboxing. The review. So now that we're on the topic of Mr. Andretti, let's just start reviewing them. So on the side, you see number 11, because that was the number, Mario Andretti above the number 11, Piston Cup, kind of like the Fabulous Hudson Hornets Piston Cup. You see how he has like a kind of tannish dry tires. He's got a nice blue paint. 427 CI, I think that's it. And that side's basically the same, but Mario's back in the time when race cars were like street cars, like Hudson Hornets and what Junior Moon was based off of. So on his back you see Mario, his taillights, and on the roof you see he's just a cool diecast altogether. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Again, I'm going to be in 360 Beyblade's video. I showed up late. And let's get like goal there, okay? Thanks for watching, and the Fabulous 95 is signing out.